Happy Sunday everybody, GingerBeardMark here with Eric Loveland Heath at the Snailbeach Mines in Shropshire. So let's check it out!
I'll leave the house, get in my car, drive somewhere interesting and preferably not too far. Why do I do this? You may ponder. It's to provide you with a regular Sunday wonder. A Sunday wonder of nothing I'm more fonder. A Sunday wonder of nothing I'm more fonder. Sit back, relax, lay out the snacks and let me do the walking. I'm here and there, I'm everywhere, I even do some talking. Come along with me, yeah!
Welcome to Snailbeach Mines, at one point the most productive lead mine in the whole of the UK. There was some form of mining taking place here at Snailbeach from as far back as the Roman Emperor Hadrian all the way through till the 1950s. I've brought Eric here with me today as my tour guide, not only because he grew up in Snailbeach, but he returned after leaving Snailbeach to write an entire album about it. So I'll let him explain why he thinks it's so special.
There's a peculiar atmosphere to a place that has lost its purpose. Moving here as a child felt like coming to a place that had fallen asleep. Returning here as an adult unsurfaced some forgotten memories, which inspired me to come back with some recording equipment to capture the feel of some of the places we're going to visit. This is Black Tom Shaft, named after the engine driver who had a large black beard. When I was living here in the early 90s, this wasn't here, this wheel, it was just falling in. This is the magazine house where they kept the gunpowder, and the arrangement of the walls meant that if there was an explosion, it wouldn't damage nearby buildings. On March the 6th, 1895, tragedy struck at George's shaft as a cage carrying 7 miners plummeted 250 yards to the bottom of the shaft. All 7 died, their ages ranging from 27 to 60, all of whom perished as the rope was not replaced due to cost-cutting measures.
It cuts us 7 lines from a rope as frail as the ghost it left behind.
Behind me is the Blacksmith shop, and this is just a sign of how self-sufficient the mine was. Everything was produced on site because they didn't want to waste any time in sending people off to fetch things or to bring things to the mine when they could just make it here. Right, this is really cool. We're heading down to the mine now, so we're just going to go in this building here and get on our hard hats and lights. I'm really excited for this one. Below the metal grid that I'm standing on is a shaft that goes down as far as 112 yards, and then it goes down even further, but there's water level filling it up. So they're going to turn some lights on and show us just how deep it actually is. I was talking earlier about how self-sustaining that the mines were, and behind us is another example of that. This is the Reservoir Upperworks, and if any of the machines needed water or anything, they would take it directly from here down the hill to the different machines. The building behind me is the Compressor House, and this was used later on in the mine's life to provide compressed air to power the pneumatic drills that replaced the old-fashioned drills that were hammered into the walls.
Scott level.
Thanks for joining me and Eric here at Snailbeach. Eric, you got anything you want to plug?
Yes, I'd like to direct you to my record label, plentywenlock.co.uk, and my recent EP, Smiling Leaf, out on Wayside and Woodlands.
Brilliant. So check those out. I'll see you on another video soon. Bye bye. Whoa!
Oh, please stop his...
I wasn't ready for that.
Arthur, I found your sword!
Currently sat on top of one of the mine shafts, and we're going to drop a stone down just to prove how deep it is. Now what you're going to hear is it hitting a grill, not even hitting the bottom of the shaft.
You have to embarrass yourself, Mark.